Hello, people. Considering we lost Devi ma'am, the news it's trending on all the various different channels. So I thought I should do a segment, um, you know, uh, dedicating it to Devi ma'am. So today's review is of her iconic film Chaalbaaz, which was she played a double role in the movie, and till date, when I think of some of her comedy scenes that involved Shakti Kapoor, and where she's playing this naughty twin. Uh, it's a twin sister, Anju and Manju role or something like that. So it's even while reviewing the movie, I just the whole shock that Devi ma'am is no more is like, I don't know, yeah, I can't review this movie like very objectively and speak about her performance. And though, see, that's the thing. Our what we do will live on beyond us. So they say the soul still remains on the earth for like at least 3 days after a person passes away. So, Devi ma'am, thank you for giving us some of the best cinema that you were called a female superstar for a reason. So just thank you for that. And Chalbaz for me is a 5 star without a doubt. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.